Medicosis Perfectionalis, we are back to continue the microbiology and infectious diseases playlist. In the last videos, we talked about pneumococci and enterococci. Today, we'll talk about some uncommon gram-positive cocci that are catalase-negative. With that said, now let's get started. Please watch the videos in this playlist in order. Enterococci are here. They are gram-positive cocci, catalase-negative, gamma hemolytic. They grow in bile. They grow in 6.5% salt solution. Enterococci literally mean spherical bacteria that live in the intestine. They live in your colon and your urinary tract. They survive bile. They survive salt. They cause urinary tract infections, endocarditis, bacteremia, and peritonitis. These are the diseases caused by enterococci. Please pause and review. So again, enterococci, UTIs, peritonitis, endocarditis, and bacteremia. How about abiotrophia? First, let's break that down. A means no. Bio means life. Trophia means to grow. Oh, no grow of life. I'm gonna ruin this man's entire career. Endocarditis, check. Bacteremia, check. Cerebral abscess and meningitis, check. Coming up next, granulicatella. Endocarditis, bacteremia, and ocular infections. Lactococcus, endocarditis, and bacteremia in the immunocompromised. Moreover, they can lead to UTIs as well, and osteomyelitis, which is inflammation of the bone and the bone marrow. Pediococcus, bacteremia in the immunocompromised, just like Lactococcus, and many opportunistic infections. In the next video, we have a great review on all the gram-positive cocci. We'll talk about all of them. You do not want to miss the next one. To learn more about antibacterials, antivirals, antifungals, and antiparasitic medications, download my antibiotics course on my website, medicosisperfectionalis.com. I also have a surgery high yields course and an emergency medicine and toxicology course. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the bell, and click on the join button. You can support me here or here. Go to my website to download my courses. Be safe, stay happy, study hard. This is Medicosis Perfectionalis, where medicine makes perfect sense.